Welcome back to Car Tech Auto. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is a high-end recreational vehicle that blends the comfort and luxury of a premium mobile home with the strength and dependability of a Kenworth commercial truck. It is intended for tourists who desire an unparalleled journey, enabling them to boldly traverse diverse landscapes. Important attributes: built on a sturdy Kenworth truck chassis, this base offers outstanding stability, durability, and towing capacity. Strong engines, like the Cummins X15, provide the best performance in a range of road conditions. Elegant and roomy interior, well-considered interior design including premium materials and opulent finishes. Large living room, fully equipped kitchen, cozy bedroom, and contemporary bathroom for optimal convenience. Use smart home features and an advanced entertainment system, cutting-edge technology, GPS, navigation, a smart entertainment system, and extensive connectivity functions. Energy-efficient appliances and solar panels are examples of green technologies, cutting-edge safety features, including as sophisticated brakes and driver support systems. Customization: a wide range of alternatives are available, ranging from interior paint schemes to extra amenities like improved off-grid capability and outdoor entertainment equipment. The Kenworth Motorhome 2026 is intended for full-time rovers and serious travelers who require a vehicle capable of handling a range of road conditions and long-distance travel. Those who appreciate great performance, comfort, and luxury in their recreational vehicle. Those seeking a dependable, long-lasting vehicle for a lifetime of exploration. In summary, an exceptional leisure vehicle with an unrivaled blend of luxury, power, and technology is the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome. It is intended for people who desire the greatest possible travel experience.